Hi everybody, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas.com and I'm here with another fun craft. I thought today we could make tissue paper rainbows. This is one of the crafts in my spring craft section, and you can go to the website Kidfunideas.com and print out the template and the directions on how to do that. For this craft, you will need the template, a piece of blue paper, some tissue paper squares, which come with pre-cut little squares of tissue, some glue, some cotton balls, and some scissors. So if you don't have all of those supplies, or you can't print something out, hang on to the end and I'll show you how to do an easy little craft that we can draw your own picture and use tissue from maybe a gift bag or a gift box. Okay, so you grab your things and I'll meet you right back here. Okay, so we're back and we have our template printed out, and it has all the different colors and where they go in the rainbow, and we have all of our different tissue paper squares in order of the way that they go. This is a really simple project. Pretty much all we're going to do is start on the inside circle and apply some glue, and then grab some of these little squares and you crumple it up like that, and you just stick it right in the row that it belongs. So just grab a square, crumple it a little bit, stick it in there. Crumple it, stick it in there. All right. We just work all the way around, just going along until we have the whole thing filled in the order of a rainbow. So you know this, the first inner square is purple, then would come blue, then green, then yellow, then orange. Okay, all right, so we fill all of these in. Once you have all of this filled in, you're going to take your scissors and cut out your paper, cut out your rainbow. We're going to mount it on some blue paper so it can look like it's sitting in the sky there. Okay. So you're just going to mount that onto your blue paper, and then using some glue stick or regular glue, just pull apart some of your cotton balls, and you're just going to add some glue once this is all glued on, and just stick them on here so it looks like a puffy cloud. And when you're done, it's going to look like this. All your different rows will be filled in and your clouds will be all puffy, just like that. And it's a really cheery picture to have around. Now, if you can't print something out, you can easily make your own rainbow picture on just plain white paper, and I'll show you how you draw that right now. First, you're just going to start with your cloud, so you know where we're going to be. And it's just it's kind of a bumpy shape that looks like that, okay? Then you're going to start with your inside circle, and I'm going to try to do this upside down. And go about like that. And you're going to do one next to it, and try to make it about this size here, about like a quarter of an inch, half an inch. And you're going to want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. So here comes number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So it doesn't look exactly the same as this one here, but it's pretty similar. Now, if you don't have tissue paper squares, that's fine. We can still draw a different kind of picture. I drew this one, just little tulips, and I used some tissue out of the gift bag, and I just went and took a section of the gift bag tissue, and it doesn't matter if it's all crumpled up like from a gift bag, because they're always kind of squished in there, and just cut off a little strip like that. and then cut that into little squares. They don't have to be perfect squares. We can make them, you know, just able to be crumpled up. And all you do is take your squares or your shapes and crumple them up just like the other project and just keep applying them. As long as you can make a smushy crumple out of it, you can make a picture. You can draw tulips like these. You could, if you have yellow paper, you could make a big sunshine or a sunflower. That would be fun too. You could see if you have a picture out of your coloring book. Make that a 3D one. And if you don't have green green tissue, just go ahead and color them in with marker or crayons. Yeah, so there you go. All right, you can make yourself some flowers. All right, well, that was a really quick and simple craft. I hope you had fun, and I hope you can make a tissue design of your own. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.